to show you guys how to make the best salad ever. So you're going to need some red lentil penne pasta, some chickpeas, some olives, some Persian cucumbers, some avocado, some red onions, some tomatoes, some black dried cherries, some kale, some Brussels sprouts, some bell peppers, some arugula, some scallion and or green onion, and yeah, am I missing anything? Cilantro, yes. So we're going to start with a handful of kale, like so. Then I'm going to add some arugula. Don't you worry, there's somebody that's going to be like, your stuff is not clean. Everything is already washed, so don't you worry your pretty little face. But we're going to do a handful of arugula. Then next, I went ahead and I did some Brussels sprouts in the air fryer for myself. I kind of like them burnt and crispy, so you're just going to have to, you know, just deal with that because I love it. But my sister doesn't, so I didn't add that on her salad. Then I'm going to put some cherries, some dried cherries. These are the dark sweet ones from Trader Joe's. They're yummy, yummy, yummy for so many reasons. And for anybody that's alkaline like myself, it's kind of like your dried cranberry substitute because cranberries are not alkaline, but these are actually better. Okay, so thank me later. Then I'm topping the salads with some cherry tomatoes like so. My sister ends up liking hers cut in half, so I'll be cutting hers in half, like right now. Then I'm going in with some cucumbers. Normally I actually will peel the skin off, but today I was feeling a little lazy. But I do about 1 Persian cucumber per salad because cucumbers are amazing for you. Lots of water in them, so they're super good at hydrating you. Now I'm a lover of all things olives, so I just take a handful for each salad. These are just green olives. You could use black olives, whatever one floats your boat. The reason why I love this can at Trader Joe's, even though Dr. Sebi is not approved canned items, I like this one because it just contains sea salt and nothing else. Then I top the salads with some scallion and or green onion, depending on who I'm talking to. And I'm just using my kitchen scissors just to slice them, just for texture, taste, and color. Then I'm adding some cilantro because cilantro is really good for you. It removes, heavy metals from your body. So I tend to eat a lot of cilantro in the majority of my meals. So I just top with some fresh cilantro. Now I love, 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 love my onions. So I'm going to chop up some red onions. These are my favorite for salads. I prefer red over the white for salads because to me the taste is so much better. But again, it's a preference thing. But I and my sister and I should say, eat a lot of onions. So we love that. Some of you may be like, why are there so many onions in this salad? But trust me, it's fire. Then, of course, a salad would not be complete without avocado. So I top each salad with 1 avocado because, again, since I'm alkaline, I get the bulk of my calories from things such as dates and avocados. This is where I get all my fats from. And plus, they're just super tasty. So I'm just going to put that whole avocado on there. I love, 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 love pasta on salads. This pasta by Barilla is so amazing because it only contains lentil in it, so I love it. It's my pasta substitute. I top both salads with some pasta, and then the last process is topping them with my crunchy chickpeas. Now I make these in my air fryer, so they're extra crunchy and extra crispy. My sister likes to say they're like a bacon bit substitute, which I never even thought of, but it's fire. Then I top with my homemade agave salad dressing. I will definitely be having a recipe on that salad dressing soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Literally, you guys, I'm obsessed with it. It's the best thing I've ever whipped up by myself just randomly, and now I'm obsessed with it for salads. So I kid you not, these will be the best salads you ever had in your life. Typically what I'll do is I'll put them in a mixing bowl and I will mix them with my hands so everything is nice and saturated with the dressing. But for video purposes, I did not do that on camera. But either way, you could eat your salad like this and it's still fire. So thank me later. Stay tuned for the dressing.